Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 1. Virtual prototyping of 4-bar mechanism. First, pick new assembly, then select insert components, then browse for the component base. Now, fix the component. Again select insert components, then browse for the component named S-link. Now, select the hole within the S-link and the hole within the base, then give concentric mate. Now, select the face of the S-link and the internal faces of the base, then give coincident mate. Now, select insert component and browse for the component named Q-link. Select the whole projections in the Q and the S-link and give concentric mate. Now select both the faces of the S and Q link, then give coincident mate. Now click insert component, then browse for the component named P-link. Now give a concentric mate in the holes of the P-link and the Q-link. Now select their respective faces and give coincident mate. Finally, select insert component and browse for the component, then select the component base 2. Now, select the base faces of the component base 2 and base layer of the base 1 and give coincident mate. Now, select the whole projections in the P link and the base 2, then give concentric mate. Select their internal faces and give coincident mate. In order to fix the base 2 with respect to the base, we have to give distance mate. So, select the whole projections in the base and the base 2 component, then give concentric mate. Now, specify the distance in which is to be fixed from the base component, which is referred in the manual. Now, base 2 is fixed. In order to calculate the motion of the mechanism, select motion study, then specify the motor, which is the crank, then give the direction of rotation of the crank. Now, adjust the key point to required seconds. After adjusting key points, select calculate. Now select disable key point viewing, then drag the key point for every 2 seconds. In every 2 seconds, change the orientation of the mechanism. Once it is dragged to the specified time, now bring back to its original position, then give play. That's it. The motion study of 4 bar mechanism or the virtual prototyping is done.